Hey, come here. I will explain you right now how you can get over your biggest problem that you have right now forever. If you are a life coach and you are trying to get your coaching business off the ground and have a reliable, stable, predictable income that comes in all the time, then listen to me right now. I learned how to run a membership group coaching program where I have members paying me, my clients, my members, right, paying me $97 per month for my coaching services. Yes, I am not charging for packages. Yes, I am not doing one-on-one coaching with people. And yes, I run a model that's a combination of a video course, a mini forum, a community, and weekly group coaching calls. Yes, I would rather have a member, a person paying me only $97 per month rather than collecting $2,000 for a package to work with them one-on-one. Let me tell you why. Because if you have one person paying you $97 per month and you have them to stay in your program for a year or more, that's maybe $1,000, right? That's $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 that's gonna come in this next year. And at the same time, you can have 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50 people paying you that monthly fee. And this is the most beautiful thing that's happening to me right now. This money comes in over and over again, all the time. It's recurring. I don't need to chase new clients. To be honest, they all come to me now anyway, but I signed them into my $97 per month membership program rather than trying to get them into my high ticket. Here is the thing. If you listen to me and if you take the next few steps later on your own, or if you just interact with me and accept the knowledge that I have for you, you as a coach, as a life coach, as a teacher, you could have a full-time recurring income that comes in monthly all the time. And this model, by the way, doesn't take you a lot of time to run. Yeah, I still spend 2 or 3 hours per day building and growing and chatting with people, supporting my community, but to be honest, this is all very passive work, right? In fact, I only do a group weekly coaching call. I do, to be honest, 3 group coaching calls because my program is unique to me, right? But if you are a life coach or so, you could have 1 or 2 only group coaching calls per week, right? Instead. And that's the only kind of very, very active time that's going to be taken from you and really need to show up for it, right? So you got to do that all the time, every week, and you need to support your community on a daily basis, your membership. Yes, you need to reply to people's emails. You need to chat to new potential customers, maybe go on quick sales calls with new people and so on. You need to always keep building new marketing automations and so on, but you got to do those things anyway, right? So with this model that I follow, I am able to be paid as a coach full time, and it's all recurring for me. By the way, if you would like to learn more of how you can put this same model in place for yourself, on Thursday I am running a live class where I'm gonna teach you 3, 4, 5 things that you're gonna need to understand so you can put your own membership program in place. We're gonna cover how you can create your membership offer, which app to use. I'm gonna suggest you to use an app called Skool to host your membership program and charge your members. We're gonna then talk about how to sign your first 5-10 people who pay you $100 a month so you can start having a part-time recurring income. And then we're gonna also talk about how to put some kind of systems in place through which you attract and convert more members paying you. These systems are mostly related to building an email list, for example, putting some kind of automated email sequences in place that convert people into your clients on their own, and then how to get your members refer you more members and get your members with small commission because they did that, right? So everyone is then happy. And another system that you could put in place, for example, is to run webinar classes as I am running, through which I can enroll groups of people into my program. I build my email list massively even further, and I can follow up with each individual that attended my webinar, and I get them on a call with me if they want to work with me, right? So that's another system. Or if you want to later on really make it all passive for yourself, I could explain you how to run paid ads, how to have a VA or a teammate helping you grow your program and do the daily activities for you so you save time, or how to run a YouTube channel through which you can attract more people come to you on their own by just watching your videos, and your videos are always working for you and you're getting unlimited traffic coming to you. I'll teach you and I'll give you insight to all of these many things, steps to go through and systems at my live webinar class this Thursday. Make sure to find the link down below so you can register for it. You can come see me and we can talk and I show you the path. To be honest, if you only subscribe 10, 15 people paying you $97 per month for your program, you're gonna start having a part-time recurring income that's gonna free yourself up. It's gonna free your soul up. And you're gonna be able to then become a full-time online coach who everyone is attracted to, who everyone loves, who everyone wants to learn from. You're gonna create transformational case studies inside your program and more people will be attracted to you. I'll teach you all of these things at my webinar class. Make sure to come to it, try to register for it, find the link down below this video and I will see you at the webinar. You see, so if you put this model in place that I'm explaining you and teaching you, by the way, look around my YouTube channel, right? And find more videos just like this one and come to my free school as well. And if you're already in my free school where I have a free course, right? Look around. I have so much material already to share with you that could get you acknowledged of how this model works, right? But of course, come to my webinar class where we can talk to one another. It's gonna be maybe 5, 10, 15 people at that class and I'm gonna do a lot of Q&A. I'm gonna be able to talk to you. That's how I run my group classes, right? Webinar classes as well. I talk to you and allow you to ask a question and we communicate as real humans, real people, right? So you see, if you will once in the future put this membership model in place for yourself that I'm gonna teach you, you will start having a recurring income and you will stop worrying about where the clients will come from, because if you get them once, start paying you, guess what? They will keep paying forever and it's all gonna compound for you, right? If you would like to learn more about this model, come to my webinar class. And if you have any questions, ask them down below. I would love to interact with you. See you.